Okay, so I know that everyone uses Facebook to promote their products, and I also use Facebook to promote my products. Now what I want is that, let's say someone comments on my Facebook post, I want to automatically generate the reply and send the reply. So as you can see that I've posted this comment right now, alright, and as you can see I'm going to refresh this page and automatic reply of this comment will be generated and sent. So yes, once I refresh this page, you're going to see automatic reply will be generated and sent. So yes, you can see the reply has been generated. That's wonderful. Nothing beats the fresh and natural glow. So you can see within seconds and in real time the comment reply was generated and sent back. So yes, this is no magic. This is the power of automation which we are going to create in today's video. And yes, if you also want to create this amazing automation for your own business which you are promoting using Facebook, then this video is definitely for you and you have to stick to this video till the end. So as we all know that nowadays business use social media to promote their products, and now what happens is that whenever your customer or your lead post a comment on your Facebook page post, within seconds the reply generation is not possible by doing it manually. This can only be done with the help of an automation software which is Pabbly Connect, and I'll show you how to create this for your own business. Just give me 10 to 15 minutes. You have to open the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. If you haven't logged in Pabbly Connect yet, you're going to get the landing page URL in the description box below. Go on that URL, log in Pabbly Connect, and you're going to come on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. After coming here, you have to click on this create workflow. It is asking you to select the workflow builder, so you have to select the workflow builder according to your choice, the new one or the classic one. So the new workflow builder is faster, flexible, and the classic one is stable and has a familiar approach. You can select it according to your own choice. I'm going to use this new one. So let's go to its select of the new one. Now we have to enter the workflow name and select the folder in which we want to save this workflow. If you want to create a new folder, you can go to its create new folder button. Otherwise, you can also save your workflows in home too. Now after doing this, we have to click on this button which says create, and once we click on this create, it is going to open the most important window of our automation, and in this window only all the magic is going to happen because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. No need to worry, I'll let you know what trigger and action mean in detail with the examples further in this video. You just have to follow me right now. You have to click on this add trigger button and you have to select your trigger application as Facebook. So let's search for Facebook and you're going to see two options, Facebook pages and Facebook lead ads. You have to select Facebook pages. For the event, you have to select new comment and click on this connect. Now in order to create a connection between Facebook and Pabbly Connect, you have two options, add a new connection or select an existing connection. So if you have already created this connection, you can go to this select an existing connection and then save, but if you haven't, you have to follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with Facebook pages. And once we click on this, over here you're going to see it is asking me to click on this continue because I have already logged in my Facebook account as I showed you right now. Alright, so I'll advise you log in your Facebook account before starting with the automation. And if you haven't logged in your Facebook account, first Pabbly is going to ask you for the credentials of your Facebook account, and then only going to get the option to click on this continue. And once you get this continue option, you simply have to click on this continue and your Facebook pages will be connected with Pabbly Connect. So easy, right? Now you have to select the page for which you want to create this automation. So as you can see, the name of my page is Natural Glow Skincare. So I'm going to select the same page right over here, which is Natural Glow Skincare. Turn on this simple response button because we are going to capture the response in simple format. Now we have to click on this save and send test request. And once we click on this save and send test request, it is now saying waiting for webhook response. And how can we generate this webhook response? For that, once again, you have to follow me, open your Facebook page and you have to post a comment on any one of your posts. So let's say I'm going to post a comment on this post. I'm going to go to this comment section and I'm going to post a comment. There's something so genuine and trustworthy about the way you present the skincare. It feels like you actually care about the people's skin journeys. So let's post this comment, and yes, you can see that it is saying posting and we have successfully posted this comment 1 minute ago. Alright, now let's open our workflow and Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same comment right over here. So we just have to wait for a few seconds till the details are getting captured, and you also have to wait for a few seconds because it definitely takes few seconds to capture the details and start this workflow. And yes, you can see that 5 seconds ago we have captured this response. You're going to see all the details. You're also going to see the name, who commented, and you're going to see the comment too. I'm going to show you that this is the comment. Yes, you can see this is the exact same comment which we posted over here. So with this, we have successfully captured this webhook response and completed our trigger step. Now to generate the reply, we're going to use OpenAI. So I'm going to use OpenAI. You can use any another AI agent too, like Google Gemini, Perplexity. It depends upon you. Pabbly supports most of the AI agents. So let's click on this add new action step, and now for the action application, I'm going to search for OpenAI, which is ChatGPT, and select the event as ChatGPT and click on this connect. Now in order to create a connection, again it is giving me two options. So if you have already connected your OpenAI account, you can go to its the select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, you have to follow me, click on add a new connection, and now it is saying kindly visit your OpenAI API key page to get the API key that you need to enter here. So you have to click on this hyperlink given and it is going to open the OpenAI API key page. Now you have to click on this create new secret key button. You have to enter your key name and then you have to select the project and click on create secret key, and your key will be created. You have to copy this key, click on this done, and paste this token over here in your workflow and click on this save. And with this, your account will be connected. It is very easy. Now for the AI model, I'm going to use GPT-5. You can use any another of your choice. Now it is asking me for the prompt. So I'm going to enter the prompt in order to generate the reply of the comment. So as you can see that I have entered this prompt over here, going to see that I've entered the details of my business in this prompt. You can enter the prompt according to your own choice. You can give the pricing information, suggestions, or the recommendations of the product you want to recommend in the comment section, and much more. I've entered the prompt according to my own needs. Now I'm going to simply enter the comment and the comment by right over here. So we're going to first enter the comment, but we are not going to enter it manually by typing it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and change with every new response received. So same like I map this comment, I'm going to map the name of the person who commented this so that we can generate personalized replies. So as you can see, here's the comment and here's the one who commented this. Now we have to click on this save and send test request after entering the prompt, and automatically my AI, which is OpenAI, is going to generate me the reply. So as you can see that we have received the reply which says thank you Jesse, and yes, you can see this is the name of the one who commented so that we can send them personalized replies so they feel more like connected. So yes, you can see that we have generated this reply, and now I'm going to post this reply. For that, I'm going to click on this add new action step. Once again, we're just going to search for Facebook, and now we have to select Facebook comments as the action. You have to keep in mind for the trigger we selected Facebook pages. Now we have to select Facebook comments. For the event, we have to select it as reply comment on page post and click on this connect. Recently we have connected our Facebook account, so we can click on this select existing connection and then save. No need to worry. Now let's move on further. Once again, we're going to select the page which is natural glow skincare. For the post ID and the comment ID, we're going to map it. Alright, so I'm not going to select the post ID, I am going to map it. So I'm going to switch on this mapping button, erase this, and I'm going to look for the post ID, and as you can see that this is the post ID, so we are going to map it. Now after mapping this post ID, same we're going to do this for the comment ID. I'm going to switch on this mapping button, erase this, and I'm going to look for the comment ID, and as you can see the same, so we're going to map it. For the comment, which is the reply, we are going to map the response generated from OpenAI, and after mapping all of these details, we have to click on this save and send test request. And once we click on the save and send test request, you're going to see that automatically we have received the status success. This means that we have posted the reply. So let's open our Facebook, and I'm going to refresh it over here. And once we're going to refresh it, you're going to see over here, I'm going to open the post, and then I'm just going to look for the comment, and as you can see the reply has been sent. Thank you so much Jesse. Caring for real skin journey is exactly why we do and what we do. So yes, you can see that with this we have successfully posted this reply which my AI agent generated, and with this we have successfully completed our workflow. And like I showed in the starting of this video, that whenever any of my customer or lead or user comments on any of my Facebook page post, automatically the reply will be generated using the AI agent and posted back on my Facebook page. All of this is going to happen in backend. Like I showed you at the starting of this video, we don't have to come back and again to our workflow to click on save and send test request. We can just sit back and relax, and even while you are sleeping, eating, or doing something more important, the replies will be generated, and within seconds the reply will be sent towards your user. So go and try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can comment on this video. For your reference, I'll add the workflow link of my workflow in the description box below. You can check out my prompt and you can check out my workflow and create this amazing automation for your own business. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching.